Good morning, everyone. We are Lin Jiayi, Chen Peichen, Guo Xinyi from Begang Senior High School. This is the agenda for our today's presentation. The topic we are going to present today is marine pollution. Before I dive into the topic, please allow me to invite you to use 20 seconds to take a look at these pictures. Can you believe that this is the world we are living in? Healthy oceans and seas are essential to our existence. They cover 70% of our planet, and we rely on them for food, energy, and water. Yet, we have been doing tremendous damage to this precious resource over the past decades. We are here today to discuss the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 14, Life Below Water. Plastic pollution has become one of the most pressing environmental issues. It is a widespread problem affecting the marine environment. It threatens ocean health, the health of marine species, food safety and quality, human health, coastal tourism, and contributes to climate change. Evidence of the scale of plastic pollution has been growing in recent years. Scientists have detected plastic in 83% of global tap water samples. Other studies have found plastic in rock salt and fish. According to the UN Environment Programme, 300 million tons of plastic are produced every year, and not all of them are recycled. To put them into perspective, that's equivalent to the weight of the entire human population. An estimated 330 million tons of plastic now litter the ocean. Around 9 million tons of plastic enter our oceans every year. Many countries lack the infrastructure to prevent plastic pollution. This leads to plastic leakage into rivers and the ocean. The legal and illegal global threat to plastic waste are damaged ecosystems, where waste management systems are not sufficient to combat plastic waste.
In Taiwan, marine pollution has become one of the alarming environmental issues. One example is the mangrove swamp around Dongro River, a walkway in Zhanghua County, a habitat for migratory birds. The area has been plagued by pollutants from carcasses to PET bottles. In addition to general garbage, toxic pollutants contain heavy metals, including zinc, lead, and cadmium. When these pollutants were washed into the sea, they pose a threat to the ocean system. Taiwan's Kinmen, Penghu, Matsu, and other places are hardest hit by marine garbage. Every year, up to 1,800 tons of garbage flows from various places. Taiwan's coastline is surrounded by 1.8 million tons of garbage, with an average distribution of 0.7 kilograms per meter. Many people want to solve the problem of marine garbage. They began to organize environmental protection groups or formulate policies. One of the ways is to use technology. The Ocean Affairs Council came up with some creative ways. OAC uses satellites, artificial intelligence, and big data to keep track of the location of marine debris. And another way is to establish policy. The Environmental Protection Agency has introduced a plastic reduction policy. It aims to expand the industry categories for shopping plastic bags. 14 new types of stores can no longer provide plastic bags for free. The agency also announced that disposable plastic straws and beverage cups will be completely banned in 2030. These measures are taking effect on reducing plastic waste and protecting the oceans.
After you hear Chen Peishan enforcing his presentation, do you feel the terrible ocean pollution? If you want to save the earth, listen carefully to the following solution and help the beautiful ocean together. First, let go with bottled water. Studies show bottled water containing excessive level of microplastic. Hence, they are bad for our health. And plastic bottles threaten the ocean. Second, shop with reusable bags. Similarly, it is urgent for us to reduce amount of one-time plastic. Third, avoid using plastic straws. Nowadays, there are many alternative materials for them. If the lifespan of plastic straws only lasts for less than 20 minutes, why not choose more eco-friendly products or totally skip plastic straws? Finally, we can choose to buy local and seasonal products and be more responsible consumers. Thank you. Thank you.
Again, thanks for your presentation. Yes, if we want to enjoy healthy longevity, environmental protection is the key. Happy that you care about our environments as well. And all of you have very nice and warm voice. The pronunciation is really good. But I prefer to hear some vocal variety there. You are talking about a very serious problem here. While you are flipping through many horrible pictures there, I would like you to increase your voice a little bit louder so that I can feel the seriousness over there. You all sound very peaceful, but actually we are talking about very serious problem. I would like you to wake everybody here up to face this serious problem there. And despite this, very well organized content with a clear agenda at the very beginning. And you also give us some solutions at the end. And I would like to see fewer words on each slide. You just enlarge the key words on the slides. With those long sentences, you would like to read the sentences. You have the impetus to read the sentences. So that some of you will get so nervous in between and forget your lines. So if you just put keywords over there, and you can speak more naturally. So overall, very good presentation. Thanks very much for this formative presentation.
As usual, good job. Don't take it too seriously, but your attempt at memorizing again, I think it's a problem with our Taiwanese students. We overemphasize memorizing ideas instead of trying to understand them. Try not to memorize. Memorize keywords. Expand on your own ideas. You do a very good job at that. Okay? I have a serious question. Are those pictures local or international? Can you answer me? international, yet you're talking about pollution and Taiwan. Always try to find local sources for your ideas. That's issue number one, okay? It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing you use international pictures. You don't know that when you're talking about local ideas, use local issues. If you just walk on the beach anywhere, between Chigu, Tao Pegang over there, and I've been to Pegang, you will see on the beach lots of plastic, trust me. Okay, so you can take your own pictures. You talked about sustainable goal 14, UN. I love that. I thought it would be new. That's a very hot topic. Your pictures, like my colleague said, your pictures dominated your slides. I couldn't look at the words and try to take them lightly more than the pictures, because the pictures were like hitting me in the face, so strong they are. Try to choose pictures not too strong, okay? Tame a little bit, and also little vocabulary, keywords. You did good suggestions. What you did, a slow pace a little bit, not a big deal. But your policy discussion was on point. Congratulations for that. That was a very, very strong point, okay? Talking about Taiwan policy, that was a big plus. And you need to work more together, okay? Your group work is a little bit weak, okay? A little bit weak. Other than that, congratulations, good job.